All right. So we're trying to knock off some spot welds on a piece of this that isn't terrible. Got my spot weld cutter all lubed up. Got my hole center punch. We'll see how this goes. That'll work. And then we'll show you the seam splitter. A little bit of art to this. Good. Center punch. Smooth. There we go. More lube. Because lube is always good. Alright, now got my seam splitter. And that's all she wrote. Now we just gotta grind it smooth, because this piece is a hell of a lot better than that piece.